Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. So today JNTUH has released results for B.Tech B.Pharmacy 4-2 Sem Recounting or Revaluation results July. JNTUH Hyderabad has announced B.Tech B.Pharmacy 4th year second semester all regulation, that is for R16, R15, R13, R9 regular or supply examination recounting and revaluation results July 2021 are released. Students, those who were applied for RCRV can check those marks from below mentioned links. Again, those who do not satisfy with this, they can apply for challenge revaluation before mentioned date. So if you're not satisfied with this RC and RV result, then you can also apply for challenge revaluation before the mentioned date. I will tell you the date. RCRB B.Tech's 4th year second semester R16 regular examination results they have released. They also have released RCRB B.Tech 4th year second semester for R15 supplementary examination results, RCRB B.Tech 4th year second semester R13 supplementary examination, and for B.Tech 4th year second semester R9, and for RCRB B.Pharmacy 4th year second semester R17 regular examination results, and for RCRB B.Pharmacy 4th year second semester R16, this is for B.Pharmacy student, that is for R16, R15, R13, R9. For B.Tech students, R15, R13 and R9, 4th year second semester supplementary examination results for RC and RV they have released. And for B.Pharmacy, R17 regulations, R17, R16, R15, R13 and R9, 4th year second semester regular and as well as supplementary examination, recounting and revaluation they have released today. So note that the last date for challenge evaluation is 18th of September 2021. So if you're not satisfied with this RC and RV results, then you can also apply for challenge evaluation before 18th of September. Hope you guys find this video informative. If you find this video informative, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to Pinpharma. Thank you for watching.